Hello student, welcome to this next video of controlling and this is business studies class 12. So now in this video we are going to do importance of controlling. So here are these six points of controlling, importance of controlling, and they are: first, helps in achieving organizational goals; judging accuracy of standard; making efficient use of resources; improving employees motivation; ensures order and discipline; and facilitates coordination and action. So now let's see all the points one by one. So the first point is controlling helps in achieving organizational goal. So the controlling function measures progress towards the organizational goals and indicates deviations, if any, to take corrective action. So now see students, as we are seeing that since starting that every uh, means there in the organization, it is done for the achievement of goal. The main purpose of the organization is to achieve the set goals. So base comes from planning. Once you plan, then after that, with the help of controlling function, managers make sure that all the activities in the organization, they takes place according to the plan or not. And if there is any deviation, then measures to be taken, because if everything will be according to the plan, then automatically organizational goal will be achieved. Therefore it is said that it helps in achieving organizational goal. Then the second point says judging accuracy of standards. An efficient control system enables management to verify whether the standards set are accurate or not by carefully checking the changes taking place in an organizational environment. So as a good control system enable the management to verify the standard, means that whether the standards set are accurate or not, that and how it will be, means how by controlling it is possible. Like see, suppose the organization has set the target of achieving means 10 manufacturing 10 article per day, any abc any kind of thing, 10 piece of work to be done every day. Now suppose at the end of the day, the employees, they are only capable of manufacturing 8 articles only, means there is deviation of 2 units. So now the by the help of controlling function, the deviation has been found and the reason will be found, that why this 2 deviation is there. Means maybe possible that the standards are too high. It can be also means it can also be one of the reason of not getting the target achieved. So therefore it is said that controlling, it helps in judging accuracy of standard, that whether the standard set is accurate for all or not. Clear? Then the third point says making efficient use of resources, means efficient utilization of resources through controlling process enables a manager to reduce wastage of resources. So now by controlling function, manager guides the employees and try to reduce the wastage and spoilage of resources. And not only this, each and every activity performed is according to the predetermined standard, and so this leads to effective and efficient use of resources. Clear? Now the next point says that it helps in improving employees motivation. So now let's see how it improves motivation. An efficient control system ensures that employees know well in advance what they are expected to do and also the standards of performance. It does motivates and help them to give better performance. So controlling, it helps employees to do or to perform on the basis of the standards already set, because on the basis of set standards only the performance of the employee will be evaluated. And when the employees, they are aware of their standard and uh, means everything is well known, then what will happen, it motivates the employees to give the better performance. Clear? Then it is said that it ensures order and discipline. So now how it ensures the order and discipline. So controlling function creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in the organization by keeping a close check on the activities of its employees. Means uh, it helps to minimize dishonest behavior on the part of the employees by keeping a close check on their activities. Means many a times the target means the standards set are accurate, but what happens that the employees they used to cheat the company many a times by not doing the work properly. It can be the reason of not achieving the target. So by the help of controlling the by the help of this function, the controlling function, it helps in keeping a close check on the activities of the employees. Clear? So therefore it is said that it ensure order and discipline in the organization. Then the 6 point says facilitating coordination in action. Predetermined standards are set for governing each department and employee in an organization. Means that again, as a controlling function, the departments are controlled according to the predetermined standard. Standards are set, and now controlling function used to see that whether whatever the standards are set, the particular department they are able to achieve it or not, and which are well coordinated with one another, and hence control provides unity of direction. Means in isolation no department will work. Each and every department has to take help of the other department to fulfill the set target. Therefore it is said that it facilitates coordination in action. So student, here I end up with this importance of controlling. So please keep on watching, sharing and subscribing the video, and thank you and take care.